So there are a lot of reasons why beginners get tired of coding. One of those reasons is that they think that coding is about memorizing different functions, different lines of code, memorizing syntaxes. But no, coding is not that. Coding is about understanding concept. Once you understand something, you can easily put it into practice. You can easily think outside of the box. You can easily work on real life projects. So coding is problem solving and not memorization. So do not memorize. Whenever you are stuck, you can easily go to Google, go to ChatGPT and the rest and help yourself out. So memorizing cannot help you to make you feel stuck. So if you do not want to be stuck, please do not memorize. Then another mistake that a lot of beginners actually make is that they think when as they are starting, they have to start very very big. They have to build very big projects. But no, that's a misconception. You have to start small. Start building something very small. Then from there you can advance to the big projects. You can start building a one-page HTML website. Then you add your CSS, JavaScript. Then from there you can begin to build, for example, let's say e-commerce websites, then Netflix application. Do you understand? So it's step by step. You start little by little. Then another error or another thing that a lot of beginners actually make, the mistake they make is that they watch tutorial videos but they do not practice. So you have to learn by doing, not just by watching. When I started also, I watched a lot of tutorial videos but I didn't practice. So I thought by me watching it alone is enough for me to understand it. But that's not the case. So you have to learn by doing and not just by watching. So another thing that can actually help you is that you know that coding is not about intensity. It's not about you coding for like 24 hours or 20 hours in a day. It's about consistency. Coding little by little daily is better than coding for 20 hours a day. And then after today, you code maybe in the next 10 days or 5 days. So it's not about that. You code little by little. You code a little, you learn a lot. So you coding a little make you to learn a lot in the long run, because when you code a little every day, it will sum up to something very big. But when you code something very when you dedicate so much time to code just one day, let's assume you dedicate 20 hours to code just today, you'll be worn out. In fact, you might even be stuck. And I'm very sure, and it's very likely that during those long hours of coding, there are a lot of things you might not understand. So you feel stuck, thereby discouraging you from actually coding the next day or the next few days. So the best practice is to code a little so that in the long run you learn a lot. Then another thing I can tell you is that debugging is your superpower. So debugging is just like checking your error messages. If you check your code editor, whenever you code and you make a mistake, you see that there will be a line underlined there. You can check there and confirm where you made mistakes. Or you can also use the inspect options on your website. You can use the inspect option, right click, then inspect, check your code, debug your code, and fix it. So when I started also, whenever I get a particular error message, I just leave it because I just feel I cannot solve it. So I learned all these things. These are actually the things that have helped me in my coding journey, my coding career. So this is an advice to beginners. If you want to begin, as you're a beginner, please make sure you take these tips to your heart. Don't be in a hurry to build a big project. Start small. Don't memorize. Always debug. Start little and you learn a lot. code little, you learn a lot. So all these tips I just gave you, these are the tips that professional coders actually use. So I'm giving you for free. So if you like this video, please leave a like. Also subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will not miss out from it. Thank you for watching. And also, very, very important, leave in the comment section the areas you find challenging in coding. What are those things, what are those errors you've made in the past, or you are currently making, that is making you stuck in your coding journey? Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.